So you guys chose the floppy cubes, and this one is made by
Shokomoko.
Yeah, Shokomoko. And it is yellow and black color scheme. Overall, these center caps were popping, and then we super glued them back on, and they don't pop, and it's really loose on some sides, and sort of loose on some others. And then this one was made by Akamoto, and I got it from Cube Depot, and it is not the Akamoto color scheme, so I'm really confused on that. But one of these center caps was popping off, and we super glued it, and it's pretty good floppy cube. So those are our two floppy cubes, Shokomoko and Akamoto. And click anywhere on the screen, and it'll take you back to the first video.